So see children, sunlight means what? See here, the sun gives us heat and light. Yes or no? That heat we are getting and light we are getting by the day. Yes or no? So see children, the energy from the sun is known as the solar energy. Solar energy means what energy we are getting through the sun is called solar energy. Solar energy we are using solar lights, solar water heater, solar cooker, like this type many things we are using this energy, solar sun energy. So see here, given below are some description of the things that the sun gives us. Read the descriptions and name the things. Here are given some descriptions, just you have to read this paragraphs and write the correct name below here in the blank. So see here children, this is process by which plants make their food only in the presences of the sunlight. Without sunlight they are not making the food. All the animals including human being directly or indirectly depend on plants for their food. This is called a food chain. Food chain means the plants are depend upon a sun. Yes or not? We are animals are depend on plants. So we are also depend upon plants. Plants depend upon the sun means directly or indirectly. We all are depend upon a sun. This process is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. What? Photosynthesis is first answer. Next, it is the most important thing we receive from the sun. Without it, our earth would be a dark planet and there would be no life as we know it now. See here children, we are living on earth. Yes or no? This is a most important thing. We are receiving light from the sun only. So without it, without it, our earth would be dark. If we are not getting the light through the sun, our planet to be whole the day or night becomes same only. So by the day we are receiving light through light from the sun. Yes or no? That's why we are doing our daily activities properly. So dark planet otherwise, and there would be no life as we know it now. We are living on a earth. Animals, insects and human beings all are living on a earth. Why it possible? Because sunlight is gives us energy and everything. All the plants and animals are depend upon the sun. That's why these all the activities are going on earth. Otherwise our earth also simply one planet. It is not receive any light. It is only dark. That's why this is what it is called. Second answer is light. What is this? Light. 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 Next, third. The exposure to sunlight produces this substance in our body. This substance absorbs the calcium from food and keeps our bones healthy. It also protects the children from the rackets. So see here children, what is this? This is a vitamin D3. Vitamin D we are getting through the sun only. In the morning before 8 o'clock. Plenty of vitamin D is in the sun rays. So that's why this is very necessary to our bones and healthy bones and keep ourselves good, and calcium we are getting through the sunlight. So see children, this is what answer. Vitamin D is the third answer. Next, fourth one you see here. The sun evaporates the water from the water bodies, and finally this water falls down as a rain, snow in cooler places. This cycle maintains the supply of water on land without the sun there would be drought and most of the world would become a desert. So see here children, the sun is absorb the all the sea water or a river water, wherever water is therefore and going in the sky, that sky become a dark clouds. When sun rays are there, that clouds are melt and again this is raining on the earth. So this is raining on earth. In snowy region there is falling snow. In our sides we can see the rain. So this is without sun, without melting the system means we are not getting the water. Yes or no? Without water we can't live. This is called water cycle. What is this? Water cycle means rainwater falling on sea or a river, that vapor is going up on in the sky and again these clouds are become dark. Then that clouds are when sun rays are on those clouds, that all the clouds are gives us rain. Yes or no? This is all this cycle is called water cycle. What is this? Water cycle. Now do you understood children? Sunlight meant what is that use? So what you have to do children, you have to complete this and in your notebook you have to write the sentence and write the correct answer in your notebook. Understood children? So send your homework back to me.